How's it going, everybody? Hope y'all are all doing well. Today we're gonna go hike Green, Grotto, and Fiddlehead, 2 waterfalls, 1 trail. Last night after I got off work, I drove all the way out to the Ozarks to come out here and stay for the weekend. Took a couple days off work, and we're gonna try and hit as many waterfalls as we can, do some overnight camping, try out the new build that I did in my truck. I don't know if y'all watched that video, but if you didn't, I'll leave it up here or here, wherever it's supposed to be. But yeah, we're just gonna try and hit as many spots as we can. I've been here before. This place is freaking awesome. It's really similar to Bankhead. If you've never been and you like Bankhead, you will freaking love the Ozarks. I mean, there is nothing out here, so you have to be prepared, but it is a beautiful place. Not super popular and covered up with people and tourists, but that's why I love it. But anyways, I really hope y'all enjoy the hike. So I'm doing Green Grotto first. It's pretty much, right now, I'm just on like a four-wheeler trail. Like if you brought four-wheelers out here, you could basically do most of this trail just riding on a four-wheeler. It says on all trails, it's like 1.2 miles round trip. Well, I made a mistake. Once you get about, on my phone it says 3/4 of a mile, you have to go off this four-wheeler trail and you have to follow this creek right here, and that pretty much takes you the rest of the way. I'm using all trails, so I kept going down the four-wheeler trail, and it'll finally send you an alert and let you know like, hey, you're off trail. So I had to turn around and come back. But yeah, we're just gonna follow this little stream, and looks like that should take us there. So all trails kind of lied, or whoever made this trail, you know, they made it where this doesn't take you to the bottom, because I'm on the edge of a cliff right now, and now I'm gonna have to work my way around to get down into the creek bed to come up, because it looks like it's over here. But yeah, it's definitely gonna be longer than 1.2 miles. This view is pretty awesome though, but where I'm at right now, there's no way to get down. Like it's a straight up, probably like a 100-foot drop. So this place is so freaking sick, with the freaking canyon following it all the way into the waterfall. Are you kidding me? I mean, this place is kind of a hidden gem. I mean, it doesn't have a lot of reviews on all trails, but it is pretty freaking beautiful. The ledge is just, or the canyon is just so cool how it just follows it the whole way into the falls. So I'm gonna head back to the truck, and on the opposite side of the road is where Fiddlehead is. It's a lot shorter of a trail, but you do have to kind of hike down that hill and then come back up. So I'm headed down this hill right now, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all, there is not a trail. You're pretty much just walking, bushwhacking through the woods. Everything's still kind of dead right now, so it's pretty easy to walk through here. But we're gonna head down this hill, and should run into like a little stream, and then we're just gonna go upstream until we see the waterfall. not really that difficult. The only thing is going to be coming back up out of this hill. It's going to be a little tough, but other than that, this one isn't that bad. I've done it before, one other time. Oh, okay. That last little bit, it was straight up. No switchbacks, no nothing. But anyways, whew, okay. Thank y'all so much for watching. We got a ton more videos I'm gonna make. We got a bunch more waterfalls I've got to hit before I head back out of here Sunday. But as always, thank y'all so much for watching. We'll catch y'all in the next one. Anyways, we'll catch y'all in the next one, and have a great day.